This home had an aging roof and gutters that were no longer offering adequate protection, and leaks had already begun to form. Over time, natural wear and tear had left the roof vulnerable, and the first signs of leaks started appearing inside the home. Without prompt repairs, small leaks can quickly worsen and lead to costly damage. Recent hail and wind damage sped up the process, making existing leaks worse and increasing the risk of more severe water damage. Storm damage can often cause leaks to appear sooner than expected, even if they're not immediately noticeable. Thanks to the storm damage, the homeowner qualified for a full roof and gutter replacement, professionally handled by home restoration experts. Now, with a completely new roof and gutter system, the home is protected from leaks and weather damage, ensuring peace of mind for years to come. At Home Restoration Experts, we turn storm damage into an opportunity for lasting improvement. Contact us today for a free consultation and let us protect your home from future leaks.